right? Just point the board down the fall line, make a turn. But no looking yet, look more down the fall line. Relax that back arm. Like right there, toe side again. Right there, heel side again. Back arm, relax that thing. Yep. Toe side right there. Now the heel side, looking down the hill. Sit down right there. Boom, stand up, go toe side. Stand up, go heel side. No arms. Stand up, go toe side. Just front toe down, bring it around. Don't let that pitch screw with you. Attack that thing. Attack that. Just attack it. Looking down the fall line. Go right back. No arms, no arms. Go right back. Bring it around. Go right back. Go right back. Right there, go back. Boom. No arms. Go right back. Bring it around. Bring it around. Go right back. Yeah.